sir.
These days, there is an ongoing debate between people about online shopping. That's it. Okay, well,
Okay, sir.
while it is possible to claim that online shopping is helpful, okay, my view is that the disadvantages outweigh the advantages. In this essay, I shall explain my point of view by analyzing both sides of the argument. ஓகேவா இது introduction அதோட முடிச்சிடலாம்.
Okay, sir.
There are several reasons why online shopping is disadvantageous. One of them is that you cannot test the quality of the product physically.
Okay.
It can also be argued that there is a refund policy available. However, it doesn't work always. It should
Okay.
also be taken into account that online shopping may not always provide a reasonable product and do justice for the pricing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
இப்போ third paragraph. Those who argue for online shopping to be advantageous have a different view and say that it can actually be a good thing. Firstly, it is claimed that online shopping saves a lot of time and transportation stress. Then there are concerns about physical shopping becoming time consuming for many people. Therefore, many people feel that online shopping is beneficial in this particular aspect. Okay,
Okay, sir.
last, while there are strong arguments on both sides of the case, my personal opinion is that online shopping is beneficial up to an extent. I would strongly recommend that people should adapt to both online and offline shopping in order to have a good shopping experience.
Okay.